Okay, we're trying to figure out if the average of group A is greater than the average of group B. Now, how would you find the average of group A? Well, the average of A would be the sum of all the A grades divided by however many there are. And the average of group B would be the sum of all the B grades divided by however many students were in the B group. So let's look at clue 1. Clue 1 says, of the students who took the test, 10 were in group A and 12 were in group B. Okay, so we know this formula here and this formula here, and we have too many unknowns. We can't determine what the average of A is and the average of B is because we don't have the sum of A and the sum of B. So clue 1 does not work. Okay, what does clue 2 say? Clue 2 says, on the test, the highest score was achieved by group B. So group B, a guy over here, has the highest score, and somebody over here had the lowest. Well, so what? I need to know the sum of the A, and I don't know, and you forget about clue 1, so you don't know that. So clearly, I don't know how many students are in each group. I don't know the sum of A, sum of B, so clue 2 does not work. So now what do? You put them both together. So we know that there were 10 in group A and 12 in group B, and we know the lowest grade's over here and the highest grade is over here, but I don't know the sum of B, the sum of A. So I put them both together, and that didn't work. They didn't work independently. Answer's E, nothing works.